Hello Tikkies! Welcome to our another video series of Excel automation using MS Power Automate desktop. In this video, we will discuss about get first free column or row from Excel worksheet action. So let's understand first what is the meaning of first free column or first free row. So here you can see in this spreadsheet our first free row of this spreadsheet is 12 and our first free column of this spreadsheet is 9. First, so free row means empty row or free column means empty column. So I hope you understood about first free column and first free row. So where we can use, so let's discuss where we can use this action. So if you want to check first free row and first free column from a spreadsheet, that time you can use this action, get first free column or row from Excel worksheet action. So let's open Power Automate desktop and see the parameter of this action, and after this we will also create a flow for this. So let's create a flow. Just click on new flow plus icon to create a new flow here. After this, in flow name section, you can mention your flow name as per your project requirement, like Excel automation, web automation, file and folder automation, and so on. And after this, just click on create button and just wait for a while. Here you can see your flow has been created successfully. Excel web file folder desktop automation. Let me explain all the parameter of get first free column and row from Excel worksheet. For this, let's search first in action panel. Just type here get first free column or row from Excel worksheet. Here you can see your action is available under Excel section. Just double click on it. Here you can see get first free column and row from Excel worksheet. Itself say retrieve the first free column and a row from an active worksheet. This is the useful for adding a new data into a worksheet that already has data in it. So here is the parameter. First parameter is Excel instance. Here you can mention your previously open instance, and here you can see variables produced. Here there are two variables produced by this action. First one is first free column and second one first free row. So after using this, we will find the first row and first free column with the help of get first free column row from Excel worksheet. So I hope you understood about get first free column and row from Excel worksheet action. So with the help of this action, I have already created a flow for this. So let me explain what I did in this flow, and after this we will run this flow and see the output. So here I am using launch Excel to open challenge.xlx file, and after this I am using get first free column or row from Excel worksheet action, and after this I am using two message box here. First for first free row from Excel spreadsheet, and second for first free column from Excel spreadsheet, and after this I am using close Excel to close previously open Excel. So before running this flow, let's see in Excel spreadsheet which row is free or empty, or which column is free or empty. Here you can see guys, column 9 is a free or empty and row 12 is a empty. So let's close this Excel spreadsheet and run this flow and see the output of this flow. Here I am running this flow. You can see your flow is executing now. Here you can see 12 row is 12 and column first free column is 9. So I hope you understood about get first free column row from Excel worksheet action. So thank you for watching this video. We will meet in a next video.